Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how does a HDMI cable splitter work? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how does a HDMI cable splitter work. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how does a HDMI cable splitter work. The splitter operates in both directions. This means you can, for example, play the signal from one Blu-ray player on two screens at once. Working in the other direction, you can turn one HDMI port into multiple ports, connecting a game console to a receiver. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.